In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create light rays in Affinity Photo. We'll turn a regular photo into a dramatic scene with believable shafts of light, and we'll do it in a way that keeps your original image safe. Start by opening your photo and getting your workspace ready so you can clearly see your subject and the light source. With the image open, duplicate your layer. This gives you a copy to experiment on while preserving the original underneath. You can duplicate quickly with the standard shortcut or by right-clicking the layer and choosing Duplicate. Make sure you're working on the duplicate layer from here on. Next, we'll create the light rays using a blur filter. Go to the Filters menu, then Blur, and choose Zoom Blur. In the Zoom Blur dialog, move the center point so it sits exactly where you want the rays to originate. Think a window, sun, or lamp. Increase the strength to stretch those rays outward. A moderate amount often looks more natural than an extreme one. Use the live preview to judge how the streaks interact with your scene, and when it looks good, click Apply. If the rays aren't lining up perfectly with your composition after applying the effect, select the Move tool and gently nudge the duplicated layer so the streaks feel like they're truly emanating from your chosen light source. Small adjustments can make a big difference in realism. To blend everything convincingly, open the Layers settings via the gear icon in the Layers panel. In the Source Layer Ranges graph, click near the middle of the curve and drag it downward. This reduces the effect in midtones and shadows, letting the rays primarily live in the brighter parts of the image. Watch the preview as you adjust. The goal is to reveal detail in darker areas while keeping those highlights glowing. If the effect feels too strong, slightly lower the duplicate layer's opacity for a softer, more cinematic result. And that's it. Subtle, directional light rays that enhance mood without overwhelming your photo.